How can we create AI images using TensorArt? Well, we'll go to the models section where you can see we have many models with their LoRa. Each LoRa is trained on images to produce results like what you're seeing on screen now, right? Basically, each has its own thumbnail showing the design you'll use. For this, we'll use a realistic one like this Flux model with its own LoRa. To start the image creation process, we'll click on Run. Once we run it, as you can see, we can start adjusting parameters. First, let me tell you about the base model you'll use. The base model, to put it simply, is where the image starts from. I've just changed the base model to Flux 0.1, okay? And then we have what are called LoRas. These are the LoRas I have selected. We'll remove this for realism. You can add more LoRas or embeddings later for details, or mix LoRas for different effects. Next, we have the VAE, which is essentially a tool that processes and generates the image. There are different types, okay? Each serves a different purpose. For example, this one here is for anime. It's safe for images, but you have other VAEs to try out, like the clear VAE or cute, depending on your desired image style. It'll create a similar image using the VAE, starting from this base to generate the final result. We'll leave it on auto and decide how we want the aspect ratio, portrait, landscape, square, okay? Or we can customize it if we want something very specific. Then we could edit the seed, which would help us get different images. If you use the same seed, you'll get identical images. Random seeds give different results. So, as you can see, leaving it empty will give you random seeds. Finally, we can use an encoder to reduce size and add options like upscale for better quality. I might recommend this depending on how large you want your image file to be. Obviously, the more features you add, the larger the file and the longer it'll take to generate. If you're unsure which upscale to use, I recommend Bicubic, okay? Bicubic can also generate sharper images for you. Finally, as always, the last step is to enter the prompt. It's important to do this in English for better results and machine understanding. Lastly, choose how many images to create. Up to 4 with Pro, otherwise 2, then hit generate. As you see here, it'll show how many points you'll spend to generate this image. You'll need to verify you're human, then it'll automatically start generating the image. Note, the upscale feature I showed is only for Pro plans, not free ones. As you can see on screen, it's generated that hyper-realistic image for me. It's exactly what I asked for. A girl in a luxury hotel drinking tea and reading. The details are incredible, letting you easily create high-quality images like this. How can we remove an image background using Tensor's AI? Well, we'll go to the application section and find the AI background remover. Let's open it. As you can see, all we need to do is upload an image to remove the background. I've uploaded this car image. Let's click go. It'll take 120 seconds to process. And as you can see, it has already removed the background. Here's the car image without any background. Let's download it and check the quality. The final result is incredible. Look how clean the cut is. It's better than Photoshop. Seriously amazing. Now you know how to do it easily. Just upload and it does the rest with incredible detail.